has been a historic week for U.S. markets. The benchmarks topped record highs, and on Wednesday we saw the Dow top 23,100. Earlier today, the company Qudian went public on the New York Stock Exchange, and we saw shares soar straight out of the gate. I'm joined on the trading floor by the company CFO, Yeung. Carl, great to have you here today.
Thank you. It's a really exciting day. It's a great day for us.
Indeed, we saw shares pop by over 40%, and this is the largest Chinese IPO for a fintech company. So tell me what you'll do with the proceeds.
You know, this is such a very early stage in the emerging opportunity. So we want to build an M&A war chest so that we can buy up companies if we need to.
And of course, I do want to talk about your business model. So when you try to check for creditworthiness in China, it's quite different from the US. Here in the US, you have social security numbers, which are tied to your credit score. And it's not like that in China. So for the US audience, can you help us understand your business model?
Sure. We deal with very small credit size, approximately 150 RMB on US dollars on average, and is targeted specifically for discretionary consumption needs, buying the funds of the new handset, the new iPhone, maybe the new computer. So what we do alternatively on looking at historical like banking credit bureau credit scores, we look at behavioral patterns. We have basically moved away from the ability to repay model to willingness to repay because it's such a small credit item. And we're using big data analytics. And in China, where everything is pretty much cashless now and online, that data is now available, and we can apply these cutting-edge AI to analyze these behaviors and tell us if this person is creditworthy or not.
And of course, Carl, we all know that your company is backed by Ant Financial, an affiliate of Alibaba, and that is a very strong point for the company. But going forward, what are your growth metrics? What are your plans for expansion?
Yeah, we believe Alipay, Ant Financial is a great shareholder, but more importantly, they are a great infrastructure. So they have the most users, and it's the most efficient, reliable, and best user experience in terms of conducting a financial transaction. So we embrace that platform, and we want to service users who embrace that platform as well. And Alipay is growing, and we'll grow with that.
And last but not least, Carl, before I let you go, I do want to ask about fintech trends. Now, China is the second largest economy in the world, and there is potential for population growth. So what trends do you see on the horizon?
Oh, it's an incredible opportunity where you have an emerging market that is growing, where people make modest income, but the traditional banks and financial institutions can't get to these people from a credit perspective because of costs. And we come in with a technology solution, AI, big data analytics, and because the population is so large, we're seeing more data, more information, which allows our AI to be smarter. So that's where we want to head, and it's an exciting time for us.
Okay, Carl, well, thank you so much for joining me on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and congratulations on a successful IPO.
Thank you so much. It's a great day again.